Good morning folks, Love Wolf here again, and thanks for coming back to the channel, all my subscribers and any of you new people out there who've just clicked on. I'm out again this morning on my new bike, putting some more miles on towards getting it done its first service. I got a clue where we're going to end up, but we're going to have a ride anyway. So stay tuned, we'll have a bit of a vlog. Okay then. So anybody who saw the last ride I did on it, I've tried my fly screen on the top because I was getting quite a bit of buffeting. But to be fair, I still am today, but I think that's because there's a good crosswind. I don't know. Might just be me. But I've left the same helmet on and everything to check it's the same, and there's definitely a bit of a crosswind today anyway. So I'm braking the bike in gently. Yeah, there's a hell of a crosswind. You can feel it coming right across there. More of a crosswind than a front wind, head-on wind sort of thing. I knew it was going to be blustery today. They said 17 to 20 mile an hour gusts. Well, I definitely got them. Anyway, back to my bike. Well pleased with it. You probably might have seen a couple of little additions I put on. I got the toolbox on, obviously. And I put my extra lights on the front with banana ollies, so as I can be spotted a bit more. I don't know what they're like from the front end. Nobody's flashed me yet, so they can't be too bad. But and I say, just getting used to it really, just getting settling in on it. I still seem to have a bit of a snatchy throttle, but I'm either going to get used to it or get it remapped somewhere. I do know somebody who current racing up Evs. I'm sure he could remap it and put it on the rolling road if needed to be. But for the time being, we'll just stay as we are. I think it's more than anything else, it's just the different, it's a Revy engine. Just getting used to the Revy engine. But I can't fault it, to be honest. I really can't fault it. KTM, GS, giving it some rip. Ducati. A few quids was just... You can see by the flag there, the old Ukrainian flag's straight out, so there's a fair bit of wind. I think I've doubled with most of the things on the bike now that I've set up. Tyre temperature, tyre pressures have just gone perfect, 2.4, 2.8. They were a little bit lower than that when I set off. Actually, I thought I was going to have to stop and blow them up. But within a few miles, I've settled down to the right thing. Temperature 21, 28. I tend to find there's a 7-degree difference between the front and back, which is fine, obviously, with head-on wind. I've used the cruise control a few times now, and it's all right. We'll have a ride around these lanes. Crikey, you can half feel the wind now blowing across. find somewhere for a cup of tea a bit later on. I ought to get some fuel at some point, and I realised I hadn't got any. 54 mile. I don't know how frugal it is. Mind you, I'm really into frugal for petrol, you know what I mean? Bike's a bike, it does what it does. I think there's definitely less buffeting head on with a big screen on, with a fly screen on. Loving the gearbox, really smooth. And the old heated seat. Level 1, my old touch is just nice and comfortable. Level 2 on the hand grip, sorry, and that's comfortable. It ain't, they're burning me, but it ain't too cool. There's a little addition that I'm thinking of. There's like a mud flap thing that covers the back suspension that I've seen, and that might be useful just to keep the crap off it. I'll have a look into that one. It holds a line. I find the slow riding very easy on this. Now I'm waiting for me lowered seat. I was hoping it was going to be here before I come out today. I could use it, try it. One thing I will say, I hope it's as comfortable as the one I'm on. But this has got to be the best seat I've ever had for comfort. Self-cancel indicators are quite good. Got some brains when you give it some. Turn the throttle and it will go. Drop the cruise on at 60, see what it's like. See if it drops any speed. Gone down 1 mile an hour. Right, so we fueled up. I'll put the old Waze on. Put the seat back on, she's gonna be nippy. So you can do all that off function button on the dashboard here, you don't have to faff about with it. There's a lot you can do. I mean, I could actually tell Siri to do it, but with the wind in your microphone and that, I think you'll probably end up shouting forever. Chip it in and it'll chip right in and accelerate out. Here's one of my stops. Stop and have a cup of tea. Well, I never got any breakfast, folks. Never got any breakfast. Full house. So I'd be DIY at home. Well folks, I had a little ride out this morning. Never got my cup of tea or my nice breakfast. Bit disappointed with that. I put it all down to being stuck behind the marathon runners or the 10k runners. Cost me about 45 minutes this morning. Never mind, out on the bike. And that car's just drowned me. So it's a low wolf. So don't forget, if you like what I do, give us a tick, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. More to come. Until the next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and just remember, be careful out there. Lone Wolf, bye for now.